So the great thing about using a game engine rather than starting everything from scratch is that you can edit that, you can live edit, you can do that like visually using a GUI interface. Previously we just talked about code, but we sometimes forgot about the Godot engine that we're using. And what I'm going to do right now in this video is show you how to connect the code with the Godot engine. So we got like a really dummy code here. We got like a count, we got press, enter, count. So what about we want this to show at maybe at the inspector and edit that? Okay, really simple. We are just in order for you guys to see it clearly, I'm going to just delete the count. Okay, because we don't want like a print the count every frame. We just want you to receive the enter key. It's like a signal sent to the computer. Our computer will print out that times you press. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to delete this and export just the pressed enter count. Okay, so instead of adding that, I'm going to subtract that. So you can only press say 10 times. And what I'm going to do is to export this variable. Okay, so I'm going to export, and instead of initialize and export again, I'm going to use this. This is called annotation, by the way. I'm going to annotate this var. Okay, so far so good. And if you look at here, we're gonna see press enter count equal to 0. That's brilliant, right? You can add that, say 10, and if right now it's just 0, okay, and if you like click anywhere else, you will just automatically refresh. It will just become 10, and you can adjust that even though the initial value is 10. Let me just show you. Okay, so let me just rerun this. Okay, it will not like every frame, it would not print out things. It will just show the initial text. I'm ready now, and it's waiting for you, and you're going to press enter. 9. Why it's 9? Why it's not 10? Because starting from 10, you subtract it because you like enter the press the enter key, and you can sort of treat this as a hit point. Okay, so one hit, and of course you can represent that visually. Right now, let me just try this, and I'm going to experience a bug. Doesn't really matter. If you look at 9, yeah, I believe you may already see where I'm going. Okay, right, the count number just go to the minus. Okay, you have to sort of handle this, or else if it is HP, you go from say 100% HP hit point. Okay, reduce 19 and 20, and then 10, and then it got minus. The game still goes on. So it's obviously a bug that you're going to solve in the future. For example, you use some like if and else, some sort of a statement, and you can handle that. This is all just programming stuff. I will not bore you with this, but rather using an example to show you in next video. Okay, and don't forget, give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.